Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the security updates that is currently not installing correctly on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. So this is known as KB5079473. So let's start with the very easiest and common fix. It's actually a very weird fix. So I want you to go and look for your Windows update. Okay, update, click on it. Let's just say, for example, there's that update showing up in here, available to download and install. You can click on the pause button. All right, click on it, wait for a few seconds, and then click on this button again. All right. For most users out there, this actually works. Try it yourself. This might be the easiest fix you can do for yourself and save time. But if not, of course, we can proceed to the next following troubleshoots we have for you. Go ahead, close this window, and let's do and perform a simple uh, CMD or command prompt over here. Right click, make sure to run as the admin. Let's do some simple fixes. We're going to use these two so we can make sure that there's no corrupted or missing files in your PC that might be interfering with the installation itself. So do this first, the ISM online cleanup image restore health, all right? I will put it up on the video link description, or you can look it up online. So copy this and then easily paste this on CMD. This might take a while. It will show in here the progress. Once you are done with this first command, proceed with SFC space/scan now. This might take longer, but go ahead. Let's just make sure that everything is, or there's no corrupted files on your PC. So let's wait for this to finish. All right, so first command is done. Let me just proceed with SFC scan now, then hit enter. This might take longer, but it's showing here the progress up until 100%. And let's see what I can find, and it will show you what to expect. The scan or the SFC scan now is complete, shows in here. Nothing has been found. Otherwise, it will show a message saying corrupted files found. Windows have successfully fix those for you, and you can now close this. Next step would be to go to your Windows Start menu, then look for Services. Services, left click. I want you to focus on three things: App Readiness, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows Update. Just scroll down, or you can use your keyboard, press W, and locate Windows Update right over here. For each, these three, I want you to right click, go to properties, and you would like to disable them, disable individually. So start up type, disable, apply, and then click on OK. Same goes for background intelligent transfer, right click, disable, and Windows Update, disable. Then go open File Explorer, all right? Here, I want you to go to local disk C first. Let me show you. So click local disk, go to Windows, this particular folder, scroll down until you see this or locate this folder, software distribution. Right click. Our goal is to delete this folder. Make sure you have the admin rights. It might prompt you. If you are unable to delete any of this, it might be that because you have skipped the option to disable these three, all right? So make sure you have performed this first. Go back here, right click the folder, and then delete. Don't worry, it won't delete anything integral on your system. Once you have deleted this folder, go back into the services. These three again, app readiness, background transfer, and Windows updates. This time, change the startup type to automatic. Automatic, apply, and then OK. Same goes for this background intelligent. Make sure you're selecting the correct one, right? Background in intelligent transfer service. Right click, properties, automatic, and Windows update. Right click, properties, automatic. All right. And once done, you can now close everything. Try to restart your PC. And once you're back on your screen, it should now be working and try to re-download this update. However, if it's still not working, what you can do is to manually download this update on the official website. So open up your favorite browser and look for this particular update. So we have KB5079473. You can choose this keywords, catalog, download, Microsoft, click whatever matches. This one in particular. Just make sure to identify the OS you're currently running on your Windows 10 or 11. And then we can double check any information here, the updates, the size of the file, and then just click the download button right over here in the right section. So once you have successfully downloaded the file, it will open up a new tab. Just go ahead, click on it, and it will automatically download. And go ahead, proceed with the installation. It will be pretty much basic, just the installation wizard, just acknowledge and confirm everything. And once you have manually installed the updates, just make sure to again reboot your Windows once you're back on your screen. Go over here and check if you don't have any more pending updates. Just like this, if it has a check mark and you will say you are up to date, then you're pretty much good to go. You have now successfully made sure that everything on your Windows is up to date. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.